Hey guys, Harmony here. Welcome to my unboxing of the Corsair Gaming K70 mechanical keyboard. By the way, thank you guys for the support on the last video I made about the Bloodhound. Yeah, that guy was insane, and I appreciate all the views because, you know, that's just how I do. Without further ado, let me just get into this. I need to stop getting new keyboards. Basically, my Black Widow, for some reason, was, like, broken. Like, it kept double-typing the N key and the D key, and I just decided to just bring it back. For some reason, Best Buy accepted my return, even though they're not supposed to. But it's all good, because I'm going to be unboxing this for you guys. I'm done with Razer products, because I really don't like them anymore, except for my mouse and my mouse pad and my headset, which I still don't like because the mic's terrible. But I mean, I'm just gonna start making the switch to Corsair. Even my case for my computer is Corsair, as you can see right here. There's my computer. But without further ado, let's just get right into the box. I'm gonna show you what it is here. You guys can pause the video and look at this. And here's the side right here. Here's what it's gonna look like. Okay guys, so with that being said, let me just open the box for you guys. Okay guys, so once you open up the box, you're going to be left with this other box. So let's just lift this up and get a good look at the keyboard. Here you go. Here's the keyboard itself. As you can see, it's brand new. Let me just get this keyboard out. 1 second. Okay guys, so once you get the keyboard out, which is right here, as you can see, there is 2 USB ports that are red. Pretty much the exact same as the Razer Black Widow, except for this being a little shorter than it was on the Razer Black Widow. Same braided cable. Looks like a pretty good keyboard. Now, once you get done with that, here's your manual right here for the K70 mechanical keyboard. And here are some keys that I assume that you can just peel off and stick on. Well, not peel off, but just like take off. For example, for the W key right here, I could just take off my W key right here and then place that on, which seems like a pretty good feature, and that's something that I'm probably going to do for my K70. But let me just pull this out. Let me pull this out. And here is, what is this? Here's a stand for it, which I will be clipping on. Here you go. That's what it's going to look like. And here is said manual, along with a warranty. But anyway guys, this has been my unboxing for the Corsair K70 mechanical keyboard. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for sticking with me. We reached 420 subs. Anyway guys, my name is Harmony, and this is my outro.